Hey everyone! Welcome back to Z Tech Advisor channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of load balancing. Load balancing is a critical concept in the world of networking and IT. It refers to the process of distributing network traffic across multiple servers to ensure no single server becomes overwhelmed, which can lead to slow performance or even outages. This is similar to having multiple lanes on a highway to manage traffic flow efficiently. Imagine you have a website that receives a high volume of traffic. Without load balancing, all the requests from users would hit a single server, which could result in slow response times or even cause the server to crash due to the heavy load. This is where a load balancer comes into play. A load balancer acts as a traffic cop, sitting in front of your servers and routing client requests across all servers capable of fulfilling those requests in a manner that maximizes speed and capacity utilization. The load balancer ensures that no one server bears too much demand. By spreading the requests across multiple servers, load balancing helps in reducing individual server load and prevents any one server from becoming a single point of failure, thus enhancing the overall performance of the application. There are several key benefits to using a load balancer. Improved application availability and fault tolerance. Load balancers can detect a server that is down and reroute traffic to the remaining operational servers. This means that if one server fails, your website remains available without any interruption in service. Scalability. As your user base grows, you can add more servers to handle the increased traffic. The load balancer will automatically start sending requests to the new server once it's added to the pool. Efficiency. Load balancers can reduce the response time by ensuring requests are not queued for a long time to get processed by a server. Flexibility. You can use different methods of load balancing, such as round-robin, least connections, or IP hash, depending on your needs. Now, let's talk about how load balancing works. There are different algorithms that load balancers use to distribute traffic. Round-robin. This is the simplest method where each server is selected in turns. This method assumes that all servers have the same processing capacity. Least connections. This method directs traffic to the server with the fewest active connections. It is more intelligent than round-robin as it considers the current load on each server. IP hash. This method uses the IP address of the client to determine which server receives the request. This can be useful for ensuring that a user's session is maintained with the same server for the duration of their visit. In practice, a real-life example of load balancing can be seen in online shopping during a sale event. When thousands of users are trying to access the same deals, a load balancer ensures that the website doesn't crash by distributing the incoming requests to multiple servers. This way, users experience smooth and uninterrupted access to the website. In conclusion, load balancing is an essential technique for maintaining the reliability, availability, and performance of high-traffic websites and applications. It's like having a team of workers where the workload is evenly distributed so that no one worker gets overwhelmed, ensuring the team as a whole can work efficiently and effectively. And that's a wrap on our exciting journey into the world of load balancing. I hope you found this info helpful and interesting. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech talk like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.